We're at Biggs Harley Davidson in San Marcos, California, and today we are looking at our brand new 2021 lineup of the Harley Davidson Street Bobs. These are equipped with the 114 engines, has the nice high handlebars, really comfortable for cruising. Also has a really nice passenger seat. And the three colors that we have going right now are the Deadwood Green, the Stone-Washed White Pearl, and Baja Orange. Again, we are at Biggs Harley Davidson in San Marcos, California, and we are open 6 days a week for test rides. Come take your new ride for a spin.